welcome to my new video, plasma membrane. Okay, in plasma membrane, what is meant by the plasma membrane? The cytoplasm in the cell of plants, animals and bacteria is surrounded by or enveloped by a living membrane called plasma membrane, and this plasma membrane is also called as the cell membrane or plasmolemma, or also called as the ectoplast. Okay, it is cover that binds cell content. Right now it means in the cell number of content present, and this plasma membrane bind this content. Right now, and all the organelle present in the cell, they also have the one envelope, and this envelope also called as the plasma membrane. It means all the cells surrounded by the one membrane called as the plasma membrane. For example, in the animal cell surrounded by the plasma membrane, means outermost covering is called as the plasma membrane, and in the plant cell surrounded by the cell wall, right now in the form of cell wall, right? Then plasma membrane is the boundary that separates living cell from its surrounding. Right now it means you know that lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondrium all have the one organ, all membrane, and these are membrane present that is called as the plasma membrane, and they separate each other, right? Then plasma membrane exhibits selective permeability, allowing some substances to accrete it more easily than other. It means they have the selective permeability present here. Okay. What is plasma membrane? This plasma membrane is a biological membrane separating the interior of the cell from the outside membrane. Right now, and it's appear in the section with the electron microscope as a triple layer structure. Right now, it means 7.5 to 10 nanometer thick, and the term coined by the Nageli scientist or Camet scientist in 1855. Right? This is about the plasma membrane. Okay, and the term cell membrane was coined by the Nageli and Kramer in 1855. Right? And different scientists work on this plasma membrane or cell membrane or the ectoplast. Then chemical composition. What about the chemical composition here? You know that plasma membrane is a triple layer structure or three major components present here. That is lipid, protein and carbohydrate. Right now, and these three layer present here. Okay, here for example the plasma membrane of human RBC, right now, and this human RBC is also called as the ghost. Okay, because this plasma membrane isolated from the RBCs of the ghost of mammals. Right now, and here uh, this plasma membrane contain the proteins 52%, lipid 40% and carbohydrate 8% here. Right now, then four major, firstly talking about the lipids. Okay, the plasma membrane contain 20 to 40% lipid. Right now, and lipid are made up of from variety of fatty acid. Right now, and here the four major classes of the lipids present here, that is phospholipids, sphingolipids, glycolipids and sterols. Right, and uh, this is the structure of these lipids present here. Then going toward the protein. Okay, in this protein, what happen here? Plasma membrane contain about 50% of the protein. Right now it means that 60 to 80% of the proteins present here. Right, and proteins are main bulk of the plasma membrane. Carbohydrates and lipids also present, no doubt, but proteins are the bulk of plasma membrane. It means the main bulk of the plasma membrane present here. Okay, and these proteins are made up of from the long chain of various amino acids, right? And these are the structure of the proteins present here. Okay, different type of the amino acids present. For example, arginine, lysine, histidine, tyrosine, tryptophan. Okay, and these are the structure of the proteins present here. Then going toward the carbohydrates. Plasma membrane of RBC and liver cell contain 5% of the carbohydrates present. Okay, And the most common carbohydrate are hexose, hexosamine, fucose, and sialic acid. This is all about the chemical composition of plasma membrane, that is lipid, proteins and carbohydrate. Then going toward the structure of plasma membrane. Right now, in this structure of plasma membrane, the plasma membrane is about 75 angstrom in thickness. Right now, and it is made up of from the three concentric layer. Okay, here the structure of plasma membrane, phospholipids are the lipids with a phosphate attached to them. Right now, here it means here the lipids with phosphate attached here. Here the structure present here. It means the plasma membrane is composed of two layer of phospholipids back to back. Okay, here the phospholipids. Okay, here the phosphate present and then the fatty acids present here. Okay, phospholipids, glycolipids, cholesterol are amphipathic lipid containing. Okay, here fatty acid tail hydrophobic, phosphate group head hydrophilic. It means head is the hydrophilic and tail is the hydrophobic structure present in arranged as a bilayer, and here they are arranged in bilayer structure. This is very important structure. Okay, it means phosphate present here, but phosphate group head is the hydrophilic in nature and tail is the hydrophobic in nature, and they are arranged in bilayer. Then going toward the phospholipid layer. These are the phospholipid layer present here. Polar hydrophilic head, then polar hydrophilic head here, and middle is the non-polar hydrophobic tail present here. Okay, then membrane cholesterol. Okay, the amount of cholesterol may vary with the type of membrane, but the cholesterol present here, and here the structure of cholesterol present here. The structure of plasma membrane. This is the structure of plasma membrane present here. Then membrane component, that is phospholipid bilayer, cholesterol, protein, glycocalyx, all are the components of the plasma membrane. Here the phospholipids present, cholesterol, protein structure, glycocalyx present here. Okay, then going toward the models of plasma membrane. There are different models proposed by the different scientists. Firstly, talking about the Danieli-Dawson model. Okay, this Danieli-Dawson model is also known as the sandwich model. Okay, and this Danieli-Dawson model suggests that the plasma membrane is a trilaminar structure. That is, it consists of two protein layer, which is form inner and outer surface, and bilayer of lipid molecule. It means that two chains of lipids, right? And the bilayer of lipid molecule is sandwiched between these two protein layer. That's why this model is called as the sandwich model. Right now, and this sandwich model, each protein layer is at 20 angstrom in thickness, while the bilayer of lipid molecule is 75 angstrom, 35 angstrom in thickness. It means this totally the plasma membrane is 75 angstrom in thickness. This is all about the Danieli-Dawson model. Okay, and this Danieli-Dawson model, the two layers of lipid are parallel to each other and they form a bilayer or double layer structure here. Then this is the structure of the Danieli-Dawson model. Here the protein code present. Then next one is the here the cytoplasm structure present in the middle form. Then hydrophilic, hydrophobic tail present here. Lipid bilayer present here. Okay, this is the lipid bilayer sphere, lipid bilayer sheet, and the single layer lipid shell present here. Okay, here the membrane lipid present, then hydrophobic end, protein globular polar end present here. This is the phospholipid structure. Then second one, going toward the second one model, that is Robertson unit membrane model, right? Robertson in 1964 suggests the structure of plasma membrane, which is called as the unit membrane model. According to this model, a unit membrane is a trilaminar and it has the protein lipid protein arrangement, that is a central core of bilayer of lipid molecule. Is covered by inner and outer protein layer, right? The inner and outer layer of proteins are dissimilar. Why? because outer layer is made up of from the mucoprotein, right, and inner layer is made up of from the non-mucoid protein. This is very important difference between the Danieli-Davison model and Robertson unit membrane model. And this unit membrane model is similar to the Danieli-Davison model except that this protein layer are asymmetrical in unit membrane model. This is very important difference between these two models, and this is the structure of the Robertson unit membrane model. Then last one model, that is the fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane. Okay, and this model is proposed by the Singer and Nicholson scientists in 1972, have proposed the most convincing model which has been widely accepted. Right now, according to this model, in most of the plasma membrane, lipids are found in the form of fluid bilayer and the protein do not form a sandwich covering the hydrophilic polar group of lipid. Right now, it means here in this model, this scientist suggests that the proteins are not here sandwich covering is absent here, right now, and the proteins are globular in nature and they are partially or completely embedded in the lipid bilayer. Right now, it means proteins are embedded into the lipid bilayer. Okay, they are not sandwiched between this here. Thus, protein unit can be compared to floating iceberg in the sea of lipids. Right now, it means proteins are iceberg in the sea of lipids. This is very important here. And lipids are mostly glycolipids and phospholipids in nature. And this is the structure of fluid mosaic model and they are widely accepted here. Okay, here the extrinsic protein, hydrophilic and hydrophobic head, boundary lipid present here. Here they are proteins are totally embedded into the lipid layer here, partially or completely. Okay, thank you very much.